working all hours, had a young family, starting to feel a bit of pressure, so we started to look at alternatives.
I just had my baby and I just honestly wanted an out of corporate life, so I was looking at all opportunities, but this one was just perfect for me.
My little boy started school and I wanted to do a job that I could be there more for him. When my little girl was 3 months old and she's 11 now, I took her to some local baby swimming classes and we both absolutely loved it, and it was at that point really that I thought this is something that I really wanted to do.
The ethos of Puddle Ducks itself and the values, that we can just see it straight away at the beginning. It was something that we could see fitted with our values personally as well, so we wanted to have a business that aligned in that way.
Purely how amazing the classes were. Everything seemed to be very professional. The brand was had a lovely warm feel about it. The classes were amazing.
Puddle Ducks is a brand, a really strong defined brand that I bought into as a parent. Their family values, their core beliefs, the support and the network of other franchisees and also head office gave me the confidence really to give it a go.
The people, when I first spoke to Tracy, you could just see a passion in what she does. Everybody's so passionate, and because of that we're all so successful.
When I think about how far I've come, when I first started, I had 14 children on the database. I was the teacher, the admin person, the marketing person, doing everything. And now I've got a team of around 30 people, and we swim in about 14 pools with 1,000 children.
I still just love seeing the children achieve milestones, seeing them getting their 25 metre badges, graduate to the next level. Just hearing my customers talk so passionately about the classes is amazing.
I enjoy seeing the team succeed. A new teacher training and passing and now developing is brilliant.
I love the flexibility. I love that now I can go to the random Christmas plays at lunchtime at school, or I'm at home to greet my children, and I like that they see that actually you can do the mummy thing as well as work.
I would say definitely do it. I've never ever regretted doing it.
Do the research, really understand the business and what it involves. If you put in the work and you give it 100%, then the rewards are there. It's a great way to get started in business.
There is absolutely no reason why you shouldn't give it a go. If you don't try, you'll never know.